Okay, welcome my third grade math students. We are on lesson 2.6, solving problems using data. And in this particular lesson, the focus was on answering questions with bar graphs. So I'm going to be going over problem number on page 86. But for homework, you can see it's going to be much the same thing where you are given some bar graphs and you're going to have to answer some questions. So let's go ahead and look at 86. Use the spinner results bar graph for 1 through 3. Question number 1. How many more times did the pointer stop on green than on purple? You come over here. You can see blue has 20. Just like in class, I made little notes. You know, I just kind of find space in my math book where I can write down new information. Purple was 20. So I'm going to write that right here. Because I'm comparing... I don't even know why I looked at blue. I'm supposed to be looking at green. Okay, I got purple. We're going to be looking at green. Let's see. Green. Oh, this is a great example. Do you see how the green bar is right in the middle of 30 and 40? This is where you have to kind of know your numbers. The number in between 30 and 40 is 35. So green is 35 because it's in the middle of 30 and 40. All right, so how many more times did the pointer stop on green than purple? When you're trying to find the difference between two things, like we talked about in class, you need to subtract. So green is 35. I'm going to minus the purple, which was 20, and I get 15. So how many more times did the pointer stop on green 35 than purple 20? 15 more times. So there you're going to have these exact same type of questions for homework where you're going to have to look at a bar graph and find out which one was more and by how many different, what the difference was. All right, let's look at 2. How many fewer times did the pointer stop on blue? 20 is blue. Then on red and green combined. So red is 40 and green was 35. So if you can't do the math in your head, red is 40 and green was 35. So red and green combined is 75. Blue is 20. Red and green combined is 75. How many fewer times did it land on blue than red or green? Once again, this is a subtraction problem. You're going to have to do 75 minus 20 to find the difference between green and red and blue. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. So blue is 55 times fewer than red and green combined. All right, so I don't want to make this video too long. Just wanted to give you a brief kind of video on what the homework is going to look like tonight. And hopefully if you watch this video, it should help you answer some of the questions for the homework. You need to look at the bar graph. You're going to be adding things up, subtracting things, because for homework they're going to want you to combine things and then find the difference and that sort of thing. So once again, this is 2.6, looking at bar graphs, analyzing data to answer questions. Hope you enjoyed this lesson.